Welcome back, everyone. I'm Big Jim. Welcome to Big Jim's Kitchen. This channel is dedicated to showing you step-by-step instructions on how to do different recipes I've learned throughout the years. Some easy, some not so easy, some healthy, some not so healthy. Today's recipe, if you haven't already read the thumbnail, is going to be some chicken Alfredo. Normally, it's fettuccine chicken Alfredo, but we're going to be doing a lower carb version today. Instead of using fettuccine, we're going to be using some squash. And also to make it a little bit more healthy, it's going to be a chicken broccoli fettuccine. So, got some broccoli too. So, without further ado, let's get cooking.
Hey everyone, sorry to interrupt, but I got a couple of things to say. One, sorry about the new intro music. Champ decided to make the original intro song a premium song for some reason, so I'm stuck with this new one. And also, stay till the very end of this video to see a special tribute to a good friend of mine.
All right. So first of all, let's go ahead and go over the ingredients. As I already mentioned, we got some squash. Gonna have some broccoli. You could use a homemade version of the Alfredo sauce, but I just said to heck with it and went store-bought. Gonna do some boneless, skinless chicken breast. Some seasoning mixture, which this one is a combination of pepper, salt, Italian seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. And you're gonna want a little bit of oil to cook the stuff with in your pan. So let's get started by chopping up the veggies. Going to start off with our chicken, add some oil into the pan first. As I smash that olive oil, that garlic infused oil on my countertop, make it nice and loud. Toss in the chicken. We're not going to cook the chicken all the way through. We're going to partially cook it and then add it back with the rest of the stuff. Spread it out a little bit. Add some of our seasoning. Once it's got to this point, we're going to go ahead and remove the chicken, put it in a separate container, and then start cooking the veggies separate. Add just a little bit more oil. Now we'll go ahead and add the rest of the seasoning. We're going to cook these down until they're relatively tender, and we're going to add the broccoli. Add the lid to make it cook faster. When the squash has cooked enough that it's soft enough for you, go ahead and add the broccoli. When you feel that your vegetables are tender enough, remember when you're taking the lid off, face it away from you so that you don't have the steam go right up in your face. Right now we're going to go ahead and add our or cheese Alfredo from Classico. They are not sponsoring me. Maybe they will. One can doesn't really seem like it's going to cut it right now, so let me grab another one. Why only have one? You could have two. Stir this up a little bit. Let it cook for a few more minutes. After a few minutes have gone by, your sauce should be bubbling a little bit. Go ahead and add in the chicken. And stir it up. Now we'll let her simmer for another 10 minutes and it should be good. After one last stir, looks like we're good to go. Put the lid back on, let her cool off, and then bon appetit. Now that everything's cool, now that everything's cooled off, let's go ahead and do the taste test, shall we? Wow, that came out really good. The seasonings combined with the Alfredo sauce, the chicken, the various vegetables. This is so delicious. And you can eat a good amount of this and don't worry about too much about gaining weight because it's very low carb. You don't have the pasta in here. So, like I said before, make sure to check out midlifecrisisspices.com and I will see you next time.